Hey folks, guess what? I'm gonna open a Glenn and Ginter card tops. Here, this guy right now. Um, Apparently, he has 48 cards total. 7 packs per one extra pack. 6 cards per pack. So very much trying to get says look for a relic and autographs cards. So let's see if I get lucky this time. I did my thing a little different from most people. Facing me, not facing away from me. So very much just what the packets look like, front and back, and kind of in the back kind of shows the odds. The first card, this would look like Berkeley. Hobbs, Berkeley. Guess what they're trying to do, all agent. And what this would look like. And it kind of talks about his career in the background. So the funny thing is, it says, tops of like New York. Oh, I got a Hall of Famer, Sanders. That's cool. Put in my good pile. It also comes low cards too. I forgot to say that. Let's see. Oh, I got a little card. These packets come with little cards. A little card. Kind of like the old days secret. They used to look like secret pack. I don't know what they sent me this one. It's kind of funny in a way. Tops Glimmer 2000 down for the form. The Bale Hale. Get the history of Bale Hale or something. That's kind of make base cards out of anything now. That's kind of interesting. In the last one, of course. But I'm not going to show all the cards because, you know what I mean? I want to make these videos like too long as possible. So I got it from Amazon.com. Oh, let me see here. Oh, Future Hall of Famer himself. I got little cards came out. Future Hall of Famer, Billy Voto. And I got a tiny card. Those secret packs. When they used to have secret packs. Base cards and secret packs back in the day when secrets were cool. Gotta be cool, gotta smoke. So, try and get an autograph. Would be nice. Try to find. I got old card. Former player. Williams. Billy Williams. So once again, this is a 2020 Glitter and Allen cards. We got an old card here, Anderson. Used to be the Sparky Pirates, I think, back in the day. And once again, the guy, kind of cool, long ball. Old style. And this young man. So it comes with one extra card pack. These like what world champions. Tops. Try to find. Oh, that's quite cool. Ty Cobbs. Most I said player. It was a big, but it wasn't. That's kind of cool. Lantern. Tiny card. A little different on the backside. Old-fashioned kind of decoration on the backside. Did remember card. Remember. Yeah, I don't see anything I really want to talk about. Oh, the freak. Wow, the freak. One of their giants. Kind of cool. Be the first to crack the code Win special 2000 tops, volume code. I think it expired, maybe. Some kind of call master card. Got a tiny card. I know, it's kind of weird. Part of Fort. Kind of a little history lesson right there in the cards. Ruby. I have no idea why they put a ruby. Ruby. I want a baseball card for rubies. Kind of interesting having your package. Kind of old style, like I guess 1950 or the 1850s kind of style, 1850s. Got a bunch of old players. Tells a little about him in the back. Our old player. Tiny card. They got the former down with the form. Guess they have their own Facebook. This guy, always thing about this guy, he was a Dodger relief pitcher. There's a video of him meeting the other guy on the second base was stealing signs. So he's like, I'm going to balk. So I moved the guy to third base. And he struck the other guy out because he was getting a little paranoid. He think the guy was like checking, watching the catcher do his thing. So far no autographs. So far got a football player. Interesting. Got a football player. There's this guy. Nor Ryan with the Angels. I never see him pitch, but I see him do a warm up. It's kind of a weird card. Where the mouse, kind of it or something, where the monsters live, sewer drain. It's kind of weird. And I don't see anything else to talk about. I guess this is the bonus. You give me one bonus card. I see our cards pull down. Now I already looked at these ones for you folks. Last one, no autographs, no so far. Got Giants player. Same thing. It's kind of weird. These kind of make no sense. They kind of, they got bent. It doesn't really matter. It's a fish. And I got a tower. Yeah, it's really weird. It makes these things up. Got a player here. Bender there. Well, no autographs, no vintage cards. Got the freak. He's not with the Giants no more. They're playing baseball. That's kind of cool. I got his. I'm still a fan of his. I'll still collect his cards. Alright, please like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. It's alright, interesting. It's the first time getting these kind of cards. Kind of interesting in a way. Once again, please like and subscribe and tell me what you think. And we'll go from there. Thank you.